Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add call to action button on your Facebook page. Alright, so first thing first, we're going to go to our Facebook and then switch to our Facebook page. Alright, this is my page. So for you to switch to your page, all you have to do is click on this account right here and switch to the Facebook page, okay? So once you switch to your Facebook page, what you want to do next is click on these three buttons right here. All right, then you want to click on add action button. So now you can select whatever action button you want to add to your Facebook page, either book now, sign up, start order, view shop, get ticket. So I'm gonna add an option and see how it works. Learn more to open website. So let's go with learn more. Okay, then we'll click on next. Then we can put the website link. Save. So now we've added our link. To check, all you need to do is click on these three buttons again and view as. So as you can see, our learn more button has been added. Okay, so if it was a call now, shop now, this is where it's gonna be added to on your Facebook page. All right, if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.